One of the most useful techniques in solving multiple choice type of questions is by using guess and check. In guess and check, we need to assume that each of the choices is the correct answer. Then, try which among them will satisfy the conditions given in the problem. For an example, we have this problem. May went to the supermarket to buy some toilet rolls for the family. Toilet rolls were sold at the prices shown below. A big pack costs 5x minus $1, while the small pack costs x plus $6. She bought 2 big packs and 3 small packs. She paid the cashier $100 and received $32 change. What is the value of x? This type of questions can be best answered using guess and check. In guess and check, we will assume that the value of x can be 4, 8, 6, or 5. Then determine which among them will give a change of 32. Okay, if we assume x to be 4, then a big pack is equal to 5 times 4 minus $1. It is equal to 20 minus $1, which is $19. While the small pack is equal to 4 plus $6 equals $10. It means that 2 big packs equals $19 times 2 equals $38. And 3 small packs equals $10 times 3 equals $30. Hence, the total cost of the toilet rolls was $38 plus $30 equals $68. If May gave the cashier $100 and the cost of the toilet rolls was $68, the change was $100 minus $68 equals $32. This is exactly the same with the change stated in the problem. Therefore, we can conclude that the correct answer is A. The value of x equals 4. Okay.